So over here, I am logged in into Structured, and let's say what I want to do is I want to log out so that I can log in with another account that I may have. In that case, you can simply go around onto the settings right here, just like this, and then you can see that logout is an option. Simply go ahead and click on logout and then click on confirm, and then it logs out right here, just like this. So now over here, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and log in with another account that you may have right here and get started as well. I don't really have an account of using this email address, so it says it's send the code right here. But anyways, I can go ahead and sign in right here. So once you go to web.structured.app, this is what you have. You can go ahead and log in right here, just like this. So now it's actually sending me a code. So let me just go ahead over here and then access my code right here. Log into Structured Cloud. Let me just copy and paste out the code right here and verify, and then it's logged in, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and log out and then log back in inside of Structured as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.